Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on MetaTrader 5. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your MetaTrader 5. After that, what you want to do is click on this trade button which is on the bottom of your screen. After that, click on plus sign which is on the top right corner of your screen and choose the option that if you want to buy or sell. For example, I want to buy, just click it. Click on done. After that, as you can see, the trade stock has been already purchased. That's how you can trade on MetaTrader 5. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.